Hi everyone. So I'm at Castle Oil again today, and we're going to be taking a close look at these guns, these cannons, at the markings, engravings, or and such, and try and figure out who owns them, who left them behind. Uh, there might be some markings to give us the date that they were cast, if you will. So anyway, I got a busy a busy couple hours lined up here ahead of me, so I better get to it. Okay then, so this is the first gun. Nice little view of freshwater, I believe. So let's take a look at this one now. Okay, there's a marking here, and I am going to be taking photos of all of this too. Okay, so I'm just going to walk around here a little bit. Now, something I found interesting was this. I wonder what that means. Same thing on this side. I wonder what I'm going to find out why these engravings are here. So now, this one here sort of looks like chicken feet. No, this one, definitely a crown. And we got this one. So, and also right here, the numbers 190, it looks like. So anyway, that's the first gun that I'll be looking at. So there's the first of 3 guns. So we'll take a look at this. Okay. Now here it says CC, or is that a Q? I think that's a Q. No, should not a Q. Should be at the bottom. No, it's CC. And whatever that marking. There's that chicken foot again. And here it says SS Lewisburg. And there's something right here too. So I can read that. And we got this 33-01. So let's come on around here now. Okay, so yeah, I think I looked at that already. Anyway, it's 3301. There's that crown. Now, as I said in my other video, I will be taking photos of all of this. So there's that C right here, what looks like a C. So come on around a little bit. Don't see much on the front. And don't see any other markings. Don't see anything right here. So, anyway, let's head over to, yeah, it's not that, I won't hand this clip, I might as well just walk across there. Let's go over to the next one. It's a beautiful day, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let's call this gun number 3. And, okay, so let's take a look at this side first. Not much here. Nothing to see there. Let's go back here a bit. So there's that. It says 33-0-20. And there's that chicken foot again. And this is the crown. And it says number 5. So I'll just do a walk around here, take a look at it, get a better look at this one. Okay, so this will be number 4, and take a look here, 3508, and I'll come around this way, see what I can see. Nothing there, nothing here. But here's that chicken feed again, and that crown. Beautiful up area. Okay, so I think we got those covered. Now I just got to take some photos. Okay then, these are the guns overlooking townside. Placentia. So let's take a look here, see what we can see for markings here. Don't see much here. In fact, nothing. No, nothing on this gun. Cannon, if you will. Okay. Oh, this one's got lots. So we got 26. I think that's 2. Put up my glasses. 2622. I'll be taking photos of this anyway. So, not a whole lot. Apparently, there was something here one time. It looks like that other we took. So this must be a much older gun. Much older. So. Nice, eh? So. How are you, bud? Good, how are you? Okay, this is cannon number 7 on it. It's at the information center. I'm just going to do a quick pan around here. Okay, and I don't see a whole lot of markings. One name, there seems to be a lot of these, and all the same. So, just stand back here, pan a little bit, and then go take a few photos.